Welcome my channel. You can make your own logo by using Photoshop or Illustrators, or you can using free website Canva, or you can use other website or can buy a logo. Open your Android project. Like this is my Android demo project. I already opened, and this is my emulator. This is default Android studio logo. So I will change it. Make sure you select this like project package. So make sure you selected this path folder Android Studio. Then click apps and expand this down arrow button. You can see mipmap icon IC launcher. This is to IC launcher. This means this is your default Android Studio logo. So I will change it. Example, I will set this logo. You set your own logo. Okay. So click this folder, then click right button, new, then select image asset. You need to select your path. My logo location path desktop, so I will go my desktop. You find out your location path, then select and open, then click background layer. If you need to change your background color, you can easily set. Then click color picker, then you will set your own custom color. This is your logo scale. I already set and resize my logo size, so click next. Then we make sure src main res this path selected, then finish. I already successfully set my custom logo. So I run my app, then you will see this app default app icon will remove and show custom icon. I hope you enjoy my video and you successfully set your own custom logo. If you feel this video is helpful, you can like, share and especially subscribe my channel. Take care.